Guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max Plus TNPO. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max Plus TNPO from Nike. And we've got this in the wolf grey colorway in the UK size 8, European 42.5, and it's the US 9. Let's get unboxed. Here they are. A mashup between the beloved Nike classic, the Air Max TN 110, as we affectionately call it here in the UK, and the TNPO, which was a great football boot. So this is a great hybrid of European culture, if that makes any sense. So you can see the football aspects that are there, and obviously this being Air Max Plus 110, TN, whatever you guys want to call it, blending it with football is just even greater. So we'll start with outsole. So this outsole right here is all a rubber outsole. You can see the traction patterning all around. You've got that bits of waffle patterning you can always see the TN logo that's in the middle. And you can see the windows of the Air unit as well. Midsole unit, obviously you've got that polyurethane midsole unit. And again, with this being the tuned air technology, you can see the AirPods, air bubble chambers at the heel and at the forefoot. And the upper, so this upper, you can see the patterning right there. It resembles the Air Max Plus with all that little bit of stitching. And it's leather upper as well in the silver leather. If you were to look at the lateral side, that's the part that looks much like the football boot, the TNPO. So for those that don't know, the Nike TNPO is celebrating its 30th anniversary. I haven't seen Nike release the boots. Hopefully they re-retro those. But so far they've done this, hybrid of the two sneakers, well, boot and the sneaker. The main part that shows that it's like the football boot is this tongue right here. I mean, you can take the tongue out if you want to, but there's a lot of Samba long tongues as well. So there's a bit of this trend nowadays where football casual wear is being emulated in the footwear. So you can see it with the long tongues in their sneakers, as well as you can see all these fashionable guys, girls. They're all wearing football tops as well. So it's only right that the sneakers look the part as well. Also on the medial side, you've got that Nike swoosh. That's the same as on the lateral side. And if you were to look at the back here, so at the heel, you've got the TN Air, the Tuned Air logo right there. Also, insole, got foam insole right there. Obviously, all the cushioning is obviously going to be right there underneath on that Air unit for you. So that rounds up my review. Not a big fan of the sneaker, I'm not going to lie. I'd rather, personally, I prefer a Nike TN or 110. But I can understand why Nike is doing this. There's rumors of of Nike re-retroing the whole 90s, so having iteration of the TNPO is pretty good. It's pretty on point at the moment with this football trend that's happening in fashion right now. Thank God it's not a boot, because obviously that would be heavy. In fact, if you're wondering what the weight is, comes up to 900 grams. relatively heavy for a sneaker. You know, they're so light nowadays, but still friendly. Oh yeah. That rounds up my review. Let's try these on.
When it comes to the fit, guys, I do recommend that you get half size up to what you usually wear for AIR MAX Plus. We've done a review where I've worn for the Sunset Air TN. I do wear half size up. We could wear a UK size 8. I'm typically UK size 7.5, but I think for like AIR MAX, the slimline, like with TNs and that, I think I do need to get half size up because it is a bit tighter if I'm wearing my own size. There's a little bit of space, but if you wear a bit big socks, it will be accommodated. And it's not slipping off, so that's why I prefer not getting my true size. Other than that, these are really cool on. Looks like I'm going to kick some ball, and still 110s, you love them. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time.